Another banger.
We still in Vegas. We were supposed to leave at 2 o'clock today with American Airlines, but every time they got in the process of like boarding, 3 times we had to like get off the plane because they felt like they needed to run more tests on the airplane, and we had to stay an extra day, so we won't leave out until tomorrow at 8 a.m. So we in a whole new hotel. It's called South Point, and if you've been to Vegas before, it's like that big hotel that got all the golden like windows. So we're here right now, and we're gonna get food and stuff later, but I'm gonna do a little do a room tour so y'all can see how it looks. And it's real spacious. And yeah, so let's get started on that. So when you check in, this is just some of the items that you're gonna receive. So your keys will go in there, and then these are just like some little discounts for food options once you get in here. And the policies, so since we are still dealing with COVID, it kind of goes over the guidelines on what you need to follow if you're going to be participating in any of the things at the hotel. So that's that, and these are some restaurants. They have a buffet here, and these are like some of the takeout options that they have if you want to just get food and come back to your room. So I'm sitting down at this little table, as you can see, and Angelique is right there, laying down. And this is the bedding. We have 2 queen beds again, and over here you have like your seating area, TV, the dresser. I don't know what this is. The refrigerator there. We got some pull-out drawers for those of you that like to take things out your suitcase and put in there. You have any words, madam?
No, not right now.
Okay. So obviously the bed feels nice.
This is harder than the other one.
Oh, well, there you go. How would you rate the other bed?
10 is good?
Yes.
Yeah, 10 is good.
And how would you rate this bed?
4.
Is that hard?
It's hard.
I know you lying.
No, the blankets at the other place was all comfortable.
Let me see.
Where the blankets at? This is hard.
Yeah, this is kind of like.
This is hard.
Did you literally just punch the pillow? I mean, it's a standard bed. Y'all know what standard beds feel like. Alright, that's that. So now we're gonna walk in here. This is closet space, which is pretty spacious, and you get some little slippers. That's the door. Then they have like this little mirror right there, and bathroom is right here. So you have your basic vanity, a huge mirror right here, and then another mirror for the ladies that want to check everything out. It's a little picture. Then you have your toilet and your tub and shower right here. But overall, the room is really, really spacious. But I don't know, where's the lighting at? Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Let me turn on the light so y'all can. Oh, and that's another thing. The lighting in most of the hotels thus far has been like this. It's been like real dim. So this is how it looks with the lighting. And if I open this up, let me see. I don't know how bright it would be.
That's only a half of a window.
Oh, mine. So this is our view that we have, but yeah, I was thinking the window was gonna like expand all the way over there, but let me step back so y'all can see the view of this room. Oh, and it's a little desk right here. But this is how big the room is, so it's very, very spacious. And you have a standard bed, so if you want extra comfort, you might have to bring some extra stuff or go to a store and get, you know, stuff that fits you. What you say? Yes, we're on the 5th floor, so with the hotel voucher. So with the hotel voucher, we was placed on the 5th floor. So Angelique was like, she feels if you go from 10th and up, then your rooms would be a bit better, which probably it will be. It probably won't be. We don't know because we're not on those floors. But out of the Paris hotel and this one, which one would you still suggest is like better?
Paris.
Yeah, I'm with Paris too.
The bathroom, look, the bathroom, they don't have nothing on Paris bathroom.
Yeah. So if you come to Vegas, stay at the Paris hotel.
The TV is on a wall. What is that? We had a nice. Like, come on. The window I have. We have a wall.
But this is just space. If you need the space, this is the place for you. But if you want like something more like elegant and more luxury, like especially for like the bathrooms and things like that, then I would say check out the Paris Hotel. And everything in the Paris Hotel, y'all, is very like French. Like all the food options too. I didn't get a chance to show that. I told y'all I'm working on this vlogging thing, so I ain't been that good. I admit it, but I'm showing y'all some things right now.
I don't know. It's not.
Hold on, let me let Angelique. Alright, go ahead.
Like there's nothing around here. Everything is inside the hotel. Like if you're at the Paris Hotel, that's the strip. As soon as you step out, you're on the strip. If you want to go to the strip from here, you're going to have to catch an Uber or a taxi.
That is true.
There's nothing around here. Oh, but the view is good. Mountains, as soon as you step outside, you see nothing but mountains.
Yeah, when you step outside the hotel, you seeing all the like mountains and things. But also in this hotel, they actually have like, I saw a sign. It says like bowling, you can go to the movies. They have like a spa, hair salon in here. And what else? And of course the big old casino is really big down there. It's huge actually. So I don't know, because we're a little tired, but if we get the motivation to go walk around, then I will show you all. But if not, this will more than likely be the end of this vlog, and I hope that you all enjoyed it thus far. And I would do an unboxing of my Prada bag in the next video. and also on my Instagram. So make sure you like this video, thumbs up this video, share this video, subscribe, all that, okay? And I'll see y'all later. Deuces.